Hey guys, this is Zombie Joe Knives, and today I'm going to be making chopsticks from black walnut wood and resin. Hey guys, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to leave a like or a comment. A lot of work goes into these videos, and those help out the most. To minimize bubbles, I mix the resin while it's submerged in a container of warm water. For this casting, I'm using clear Art and Glow resin. I tried mixing in some brass shavings with the resin, but they ended up sinking to the bottom, just getting ground away in the end. You always want to start grinding with fresh belts so you don't burn the wood. I use a food-safe mineral oil to treat the chopsticks. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.